This is the wonderful adventures of Shotgun Willie. Hello, I am the flamingo, and I have come here to kill you with my shotgun. Oh no, I'll turn my gun into a Among Us gun. Oh wait. Boom! Oh no, I just died. Right from down here. Flamingo is still a And that was the audio of what Shotgun Willie and Rifle Willie and the Flamingo said. And the adventures of Shotgun Willie. Boom, boom. Okay, how do I do this? Hello everybody, I am the creator of Shotgun Willie. It's such a pleasure to meet you all. What do you want to see next? Like maybe a game or something? Come on, think of something good for us. What about if this video gets 100 views or likes? Okay. If it gets 100 views and 100 likes, I will install Friday Night Funkin' on my iPad. And if this video gets 100 views only, I will make a new Roblox video. And if this one gets 100 likes, I don't actually wait. Hold on. Put my mind power into my ideas. I'll do a Minecraft game with my friend named Deesman, and I hope this guy named what is his name? Tiny Plag is not in the game, cause if that happens, it's oh my god, I am gonna die by my parents and like my audience who enjoys these kind of family friendly videos. So I restricted it a little. I made it for 18 under, but it's still, this channel is still family friendly, and yeah. Yep. Goodbye. Oh wait, you can't hear me right now. I forgot.